This is another early Bronco project that we have in the shop. This one's very detailed, requires lots of work and plenty of skill. As you can see, we have mounted this frame on the Bronco to our frame machine, or frame table if you will. And at the beginning there was nothing there but a frame, and now you can see that we have replaced all of the metal from front to rear to rebuild this Bronco body. You can see the firewall's been pieced together, both front fenders, the radiator support, and let me get down here and I'll show you the rest of it. You walk around to the side and you're going to see that we've replaced the floors. Here's the rear floor that we kept, but the front floor and the tunnel and all the side pieces are being replaced. There's the new door. There's the quarter panel on the left side. You can see that the quarter panel on this side is missing. If you saw a green light, that's our level that we use. And here's the quarter panel that's going to be installed right in this area and then lined up with the door that goes right here. You can see the green line in the movie, I think, that shows you how we're keeping things lined up. Hopefully we get this straight. Lots of intricate work. It's a lot of trial and error because these parts don't fit exactly like they should, so we have to work to make everything fit properly and perfectly so the doors shut, the hood shuts, and all the gaps on the doors and the fenders and the hood and the tailgate all look good. I'm Barry Wilson with Wilson Auto Repair. If you want to see more projects that we have going on with Broncos, go to my website, wilsonauto.com. I've been here 40 years. We work on a lot of Broncos. Give me a call if I can be some help.